What's going on, guys? So I have some big news. Look at this. Oh yeah, we got a garage. It's a little messy though. We just moved in, so that's the big news I was trying to tell you guys. Is that we were doing big things. So yeah, so this is gonna be next video. Next one. Maybe still wearing the same thing, but next one. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and move the truck out into the street and we'll get working on what we're gonna be working on today. So yeah. Alright guys, so a brief description about what we are doing today is actually installing I think it's a cold air intake for Harris's IS350. So we'll see how that goes. I don't exactly know what's inside of this box. It came here for him, so we're gonna check it out once he gets here and we'll see when he drives up. JDM life, yo. JDM life. Let me go ahead and move this out of the way. Well, that wasn't good. Come on in.
Good.
Come on in.
I can't see anything.
Alright. It's your boy Harris.
What's up, dudes?
JDM, bro. JDM. Okay. Those are the fog lights we installed.
Didn't forget that.
Plus he...
Dude,
I'll let you explain to him. I'll go ahead. What have you done?
Tires. Apparently Toyo doesn't exist anymore, so now you have to get Nitto, which is owned by the same company. And Toyo is the tires that that cool drift guy in Tokyo Drift uses, so I'm like not gonna be drifting, but I still have, you know, tires that could be used for drifting if I wanted to.
So what about those things? Those little fins down here.
Oh yeah, those are causeway, or like there's a certain word for that, but it's like lip splitters, I call it. Lipstick.
Like lipstick for the Lexus. So what are we doing today? I already told him about there's a box here.
We're gonna be doing an intake install to make it look cooler. Basically just replacing this part. Oh, I also put on the exhaust.
Oh, you did. Look at this. Look at this, boys. The JDM life is real.
It's not a cat bag, so it like sounds the same.
Yeah, it's cool.
Big dude, butterflies like dropping dead because it's so cold. It's crazy.
Hashtag butterfly.
Dead.
Save the butterflies.
Save the butterflies.
The dab squad. Go ahead and get it. Get it. There we go. There it is. Alright, so awesome. So we got new exhaust. New tires.
About to be new.
New intake, new fog lights, new fins. Look at these fins. Dude, you're already like 10 steps ahead of this.
No, that's not really fair. I also am like more than 10 years ahead of you.
True. She'll get there, guys. She'll get there. Maybe we'll have twin turbos. One there, and screw it. Another one up here.
Another one up there. In the rearview mirror. New turbo there.
Yeah.
Thanks. See, he's already one step ahead of me. You already have an intake installed. Oh yeah, so I didn't know this. But turns out I don't need that intake, bro. I already have an intake on the car. Like I didn't know that. I thought like I needed an intake, but it turns out I already have one. But I guess I gotta install it.
Guys, if you don't know, that's just his sarcastic face. He is just joking.
A little turd.
He didn't just buy this car and then like try drifting it. Like, he's not that kind of guy.
No.
He knows.
My fault, you're bad.
Yeah, that.
What the frick?
Oh, dude.
It's supposed to cover that. Also this, what the heck, yo?
Dude, you had 20 horsepower
Unsafe.
just now.
Yeah,
if you would have taken that off.
I just lost that. Also, I heard weight, like, you can save weight by removing the battery. I've been thinking about doing that.
Dude.
Removing the battery, removing the washer fluid, running on an empty tank, brake fluid. That's all unnecessary weight, honestly.
Dude, that's like 3 ways to save 100 pounds.
Batteries are really heavy.
Like,
Yeah.
okay, well, let's get back to seriousness.
Rewind.
Alright, so we're going ahead and
open it up.
Open it up.
Unboxing. This is now
let's get this all unboxing.
This is an unboxing video.
Alright guys, ready for the cool music? What is it?
Cue the music.
Cue the music?
Well,
Cue the
we need
music.
someone to open it first.
Look at those legs. Hashtag save the legs. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna go get a knife real quick for this guy. Got it. No, it doesn't mean you're special. Okay, it does mean you're special. Like, look at this guy.
Anyone who's on channel. If you're a viewer, you're special.
Like, you guys are very special. That's why I'm trying to work on designs for stickers instead of these little boring things. Look at that. Look how boring that is. No, we're gonna go big.
Big.
And shirts.
And strong.
Whoa.
Oh, I got a signed letter.
Whoa.
A love note from the Dan Dickerson.
Dan Dickerson.
Sincerely, Dan Dickerson. Tons of horsepower. Those are nice little.
Dude. What?
What the?
And this is all
look really
official
nice.
Lexus stuff?
OEM.
FSport. Dude.
Whoa.
Do not throw away. Do not oil.
Oh man, this is like Mad Max chrome. I'm getting some chrome.
Dude. Chrome life. Watch it turn out to be like mine, how it's like spots everywhere.
Oh yeah, it just comes like that. Oh yeah, I need this.
Okay, cue the music.
Cue music.
Now.
Sped up.
Yeah, speed this up. And now. Alright guys, look at what we got. We got the filter. We got the beautiful blue FSport filter. Blue couplers. The FSport badge on top of the air intake. And we got a little bit of chrome. Big chrome.
Oh, yeah.
Show them the chrome from the tip.
Swing.
Swing.
Okay, I should probably...
shiny and chrome.
Oh, he just bashed it on the ground.
All shiny and chrome.
It's like Mad Max.
Yeah.
Witness me. Witness me.
So guys,
So we're gonna have to figure this out because I don't really know how to put this on.
but it should
I'm pretty
be
sure. I mean,
pretty
this is
simple.
like literally just a direct replacement. It looks slightly more aggressive. It's got that cool sculpted place for the air and then the logo. But I mean, this thing, it's not really gonna do anything. Supposedly, it saves a little bit of weight because stock has like a resonator of some sorts right here, and just the chrome pipe is supposed to weigh a little bit less. Also, it's supposed to help with the airflow. Although realistically, I don't think you're gonna gain any power from this. It's mainly sound and looks.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on a tripod as we figure this out, and you can watch all of our troubles.
Yeah.
And I just want to say thank you for watching this video, and I've seen the subscribers have gone up, so continue to share the videos, and yeah, we can do even cooler stuff.
And if you have any questions or parts you want me to try, let me know.
Yeah.
And I'll pick them up. Cause
Let him know.
this is my new project car, so I'll do. Coming from BMW, way easier to work on. So just let me know whatever parts you want me to install, as long as it's not like a roll cage or something.
Okay, now they're just gonna say roll cage.
Yeah, probably.
But if you want a roll cage on there, just let me know, because that thing is a can opener. So, so yeah,
on wheels.
yeah. I just really appreciate all the views and stuff that you guys have, and we'll go ahead and get this started. Put you guys on a tripod right here. Do you like that, or would you rather be here like that? We'll put you on this side.
Oh yeah, that's probably good.
Yeah, we'll put you here.
Good view.
All right, we'll be back. All right, guys. So, anyway,
So,
so we're here
as I was saying,
in my garage. This garage.
got my here my garage,
Whoa.
guys. What's up, guys? Here in my garage. As you can see, my 2 Lamborghinis. You're probably wondering how I got my Lamborghini. You know, remember that ad on YouTube?
Yeah, that was
It's
everywhere.
like, you're probably wondering. I read books. Knowledge is a secret.
All books, all
books.
kinds of books. I read those, and then I tell you to read them.
Like this whole thing should be
Read
a
'em.
parody of that guy.
Yeah, like-
every video starts with, "Hey guys, I'm here in my garage."
Oh, you must be wondering how I got this hat. Well, you see, I read a book on hats.
Back to the video.
This guy. He hasn't read the book.
I get too
Back to this
carried
actual
away.
video.
Too carried away.
All right, guys. Well, anyway, hope you enjoy the, this. You should be able to see pretty well. If my big head and big chin
Look at that.
don't get in the way.
Who has a bigger chin? You got a bigger chin.
Yeah, I do. So we'll go ahead and do this. It looks pretty simple. Lexus was kind enough to actually give pretty good instruction.
Yeah.
It looked like.
Yeah. Like I
So
didn't
thank
know,
you,
but-
Lexus.
Yeah. Thank you, Bell Lexus in
Yeah.
Scottsdale. Shout out.
Hell yeah. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Well, I'm not monetized,
Shoot.
so heck yeah.
Hell, heck.
Heck
Yeah. Heckin' yeah.
Heck yeah. So let's get started. All right, and we're back. So, yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start her up and make sure we don't hear any air or whistle. Any whistling coming through here.
Whistling.
So yeah, we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll go for a little test drive.
Oh
Right.
yeah.
Little tester drive.
I kind of like it without the engine cover actually.
Actually looks pretty cool. Alright, let's get this back. Oh, you can still see it, dude.
Freaking high speed.
Dude, look at that.
That's nice.
That's really cool. Nah, I don't feel anything. Alright, guys. Fine. Oh, jeez. Oh, gosh. Game over, man. Game
drunk.
over.
He's drunk.
Alright, guys. I'll see you guys in the car.
Dang, I was bringing the tires of this for a minute there.
Yeah. I felt it. That was nice.
Dang, yeah.
Yeah, so we'll close out this video here. Another great video with the Lexus.
Productive night.
And yeah. Very productive. So, yeah. So we'll see you guys next time. I will be uploading a video. I guess it's going to be like Wednesday for you guys, and it's going to be with this car. But until then, I want to say happy Thanksgiving, and
Happy Thanksgiving.
and yeah, do great things, enjoy time with family, and thank you for supporting the channel, because I do appreciate it and I'm thankful for that. So yeah, anything you want to say?
Thank you all for viewing. Hopefully my intake doesn't catch on fire.
We'll let you know. Has your car overheated since you've done the fog lights?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no. No.
Yeah, no.
Actually, no. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I did say we'll see if my car overheats. So far, no overheating issues at all.
Now that we know of. We'll find out.
I love the smell of that gasoline.
Yeah.
It smells like gasoline.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to leave the garage open.
I actually like the smell of gasoline. I'm a psycho.
Anyway, guys, like I said, have a good Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.